We are live. I hope. Am I live? Yes! That's fair. Sorry, I yelled in your face. Sorry. Can you hear me okay? Am I too loud? Am I too quiet? I shouldn't be too quiet. My concern is if I'm too loud. Hey, Dada! How are you? All right. Levy! Levy, welcome! Welcome! This is the last hour, well, here in Malta, it's the last hour of 2016. And what better way to spend the last hour of 2016 than playing video games with you guys? Do you want to join this game? You can use your smartphone. You can grab your smartphone. You don't need to buy the game or anything like that. Oh, wow. Okay, I pulled the wire. Let's just... All right, you just need to grab your... Unless you're watching on your smartphone. In that case, you're a bit screwed. But yeah, so basically, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do, but I'm going to go first. I'm going to go in first real quick because I need... Actually, I think I can beat you guys. I'm going to put my name in. Hold on. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So, play game, I suppose. All right. All right. There you go. AAZW. So I'm gonna go in right away. There we go. All right. Here's what's gonna go. What's gonna go down. All right. You just visit Jackbox.tv on your smartphone or your tablet or your computer if you have a browser open, and you put in that code AAZW. You put in your username, and we need to have at least 8 people here. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Sakura! All right. So the sexy Maltese wolf. Oh man. Oh man. that game of Big B. All right. So, all right. Once again, go to jackbox.tv. All right. Put in your username and put in that password. In the meantime, we have to wait for players. We got no choice but to wait for players, all right? In the meantime, I'm gonna make myself a drink. Actually, I got something cool to show you guys. I've got something really cool. But I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. Like this. Oh, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick and I'll be right back. I have to show you something real cool. Hold on. I'm here and I'm ready to party. All right, hold on. Hold on, because I don't want to drop this. I don't want to drop this. Hold on. Hold on, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what's going on real quick. I have my awesome... Oh, I don't know if it's mirrored. I don't know if it's mirrored, but this is the most amazing whiskey ever. Let me show you. Booze! I don't want to open this now because I have rum. This is for tomorrow. Oh, I love you, my precious. All right, I'm gonna make myself a drink now. There you go. Go in there. My glass. Because, first of all, I feel like rum. And second of all, do you guys want a drink? Hold on. Hold on a sec. Exactly, Johnny Walker Black. I'm gonna have some rum. That's a lot of rum. But we need this to happen. The drink, I mean. And I drink Coke Zero. No wine today, Vloggy. No wine today. No wine. I do actually have wine, but I don't know, I went for this. I don't know, I felt like rum. That's what it is. It is what it is. Alright, so there we go. We can hang out in chat until we get a few people in the game. Alright, so okay. How's your day been? What's your time over there? My time is, hang on, let me see if I can do it correctly. This way? Yeah, this way. This way. This is where the time is because it's mirrored. That's why. Time is on this side. There we go. Time is on this side. My time. Is it strong? Nah, it's not strong. Okay. I'm hanging out here. I wish I could make you guys a drink, but I can't. I can throw alcohol at the computer screen. My current time is the same time as it. No! How? How did you do that? Oh man, I really needed a drink. I've had a stressful day today. I really did. You know, maybe I should play another game in the meantime. I hate doing nothing, just waiting. My phone locked. I hope I didn't lose my place in this game. Am I still here? Yes, I am. I'm still here. I'm still holding my place on my phone, so that's good. Why are you laughing? What's a ha 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 ha? Do you want to dance? Do you want me to do a dance for you? Oh, something about the tra la la. Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it like Swolby does it, because Swolby goes close to the microphone, like I'm whispering in your ears right now. Oh, you touch my tra la la, my ding ding dong. Okay, I think that's enough drinks for me already. You know, this could very well be the last Facecam stream. You'll dance. This could be the last stream that I stream from this room. I'm gonna miss it. My last Facecam stream, I mean. Because I was supposed to have my desk set up already, but they called me. Dang it, look at that song. This song, really? Should I mute it for now? Should I? But what? Yeah, oh, sorry, I thought you meant the game song. Even the game song is really drilling a hole into my head right now, so, oh man. Anyway, and is the game audio too loud? Should I put it down for a bit? Should I lower it? I don't know. Anyway, so if nobody shows up, I'm just gonna hang here and we'll talk. Why not? Why not? I'm lazy. I don't feel like playing games actually. Oh man. So what was I gonna say? Yeah, my desk should have been ready this month, but I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, they called me up and they said they're missing a part. They're expecting a part to be delivered and they don't have it yet. They're like, there's no point in delivering your desk if there's a missing part. And I'm like, okay. Actually, I went like this on the phone as a joke, but she thought I was crying for real. Why you can't hear me? Say what? I can't hear you. What? What's going on? What's going on? You can't hear me? Yes, you can't hear me because the lines are going up and down. I hope you can hear me because otherwise I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I was hoping to have the desk set up by the end of the year. And guess what? It's the end of the year. My desk is not ready yet. My computer is still on the dining room table. What was I gonna say? Something else. Oh yeah, about Resident Evil 7. Oh, I'm so looking forward to it. And then I decide I can buy another piece of equipment for streaming. I can either buy a new camera, because this one is just from my iMac. The built-in camera from my iMac. I don't like it. And then when I streamed Resident Evil 0, I was on the floor, sitting over there. I used my phone as a webcam. And yeah, my phone became really hot by the end of the stream. Like 7 hours. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I was hoping I either buy a new camera or a microphone. I mean, the audio quality of this headset is not bad, but I want an actual microphone. I like the one that Swolby has. It's so good. It's so good. And I was thinking maybe I should buy a hard monitor, the one that, you know, the beep and you can see my heartbeat. Stairs are vlogging during story time. Stairs. You're a good listener, Sakura. You're a good listener. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? I forgot. Man, this booze is so good. Did I show you exactly what kind of booze it is? My rum. My rum is my rum is. They changed the label of this rum, and now it looks like very old. They went retro with it. Look, it's Bacardi. Bacardi Oak Heart something spirit. They went with the retro label here, and I don't like it. I like the original one with the actual logo of the bat. There's like a bat, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. Watching you drinking, that makes me thirsty. Aren't you always thirsty, Sakura? Aren't you always thirsty? I'm kidding, I'm pulling your leg. You know I'm pulling your leg when I'm... But we really need an emoji with a glass of water. Or a glass of milk. Anyway. So yeah, I was thinking maybe I should get a heart rate monitor for Resident Evil 7. That would be so much fun. But there's another thing. If I'm streaming and I have you guys kind of watching my back, more or less, I won't be that scared. The challenge is to play it on your own, but when you're streaming it, it's like you have people with you. So wow, I'm burping. Oopsie. It's not as bad when you have people watching you. It's like they're with you in a way, if that makes sense. About 3 years ago, I used to do Let's Plays on my channel. Some of them were in Maltese. And then I switched to English because I was only limiting my audience when I did them in Maltese. And I used to do the Friday Horror Nights. I used to download indie games. Horror indie games. Oh my goodness. And I used to do it with face cam, with my reaction. I used to be like, ah! Like Slender. Oh man, those were the days. And I used to play on my own in a dark room with a light on my face. Anyway. And that was scary because those videos weren't live. I didn't have people with me live. You know, but it's a different thing when you're streaming because they're with you, kind of. I think it's less scary when you're streaming and you have people watching you. I don't know. That's just me. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh man, sorry I slammed the headset. But man, I love this shirt. I hope it's not stained or anything like that. The thing is wet now, so I don't know, maybe it helps. Man, you know how hard it is to wash this shirt because it gets really heavy underwater. Man, I love this. Not a shirt, it's a sweater. Is it a sweater? Is it a cardigan? I don't know. The lingo. Oh man, I hope it goes away. I spilled. Anyway, so Philly. Yes, here's what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness, I do have chilies. Are we gonna do something? With the chilies? Should I include the chilies tonight with the stream? Should I do something with the chilies? I'm having ideas now. I should like set goals though. It's not easy. It's not nice for me to eat chilies with no goals. What can we do? I have chilies. Let me show you. You can lift the stain with seltzer water. Seltzer sounds like it's a surname. Seltzer. It reminds me of Billy Peltzer. Remember Billy Peltzer? Who's Billy Peltzer? Does anybody know who Billy Peltzer is? I'm gonna tell you if you don't tell me. I'm gonna say anyway, even if you're not interested. Oh man. Okay, hold on. I now do ghost peppers. Come on, come on. Ghost peppers shouldn't even be commercially available. Hold on. Hang on. Okay, so Billy Peltzer is is the guy from Gremlins. Is the owner of Gizmo. I love Gremlins. I'm a big fan of Gremlins. I love Gremlins. Let me show you how much of a fan, how much of a Gremlins fan I am. Hold on. Club soda is salty. Look. I got the Gremlins. You can't see it properly. I got the Gremlins collection, and it's still sealed. I still haven't opened it, and I've had it for like 2 years now. Because there's no need to, but I'm a big fan. All right, let me show you my peppers. I do have peppers in the in the fridge. Wow, I'm so slow right now. Philly, you can join the game if you want. You can go to Jackbox TV on your mobile device or your tablet on your computer. Just open on the browser, put in your username, and then the AAZW is a code. I'll be right back. I want to show you my chilies. Hold on. Okay, so wait a sec, vlog. You don't have anything in your hand. I thought you were going to show us the chilies. I am going to show you the chilies. These are habanero peppers. Habaneros. They're very hot. They are very, very hot. Now, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. I always get round numbers, even numbers when I buy. Yeah, you are in the game. Let's make vlog it ring 3 whole bottles. Alright. No, but seriously. Come on. I will eat this thing whole, but give me a goal, a target, something. If this happens on stream, I will eat it whole, like this. Habanero, it's not a joke, it's hot. I'm on F5 I can't see the stream. Yeah, I figured, Philly. I figured most people do that. Alright, so. Alright. Give me a realistic target this evening. A realistic target, alright. You know how many targets, ideas I have for this thing. I hope it dries. I hope it goes away. So, I don't know. I have realistic goals, alright. I bet you do that. To that. I bet you to that. Anyway. Where was I? What was I gonna say? Yeah, you know how many ideas I have? Like, I have in mind setting up a stream with with a like a sub goal. I don't know. Maybe when I'm close to reaching 10K, for instance. I don't know. Let's say I'm 50 subs away from 10K, for instance. If I hit 10K, I don't know, before I beat the game or something like that, I will shave my head. And I will do it live on camera. I will do it. 40 minutes till midnight for you vlogging. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, no! Anyway, like shaving my head as a goal. I would do it. I would totally do it. I was thinking of doing a stream. You know how good I am with Resident Evil 2. I was thinking of doing maybe a Resident Evil 2 run with on the treadmill whilst I'm playing the game. And each time I get bit by a zombie, I increase the speed by 1. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? I can pause the game and take a breather and get off the treadmill. And you know what I mean? Man, I have so many ideas. Yeah, anyway. But yeah, I do have these ideas for... And the chili pepper thing and the shots. Oh, the shots. I have so many ideas. I think I'm gonna sneeze. No, I don't. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Anyway, so last night I was watching someone else playing Quiplash, this game. and my phone died with no batteries. Eyebrows at 10K. Oh man, eyebrows is the thing is, oh man, no, more than 10K for eyebrows. I would do it. I would do it. Honestly, I would, but not 10K. Not 10K. Oh man, it's annoying me so much. This is it gonna dry? Dry. I would shave my eyebrows, but not at 10K. As if. Oh man. Should I put my sunglasses, my specs, my glasses on because I'm sitting away from the computer, quite far away. Because they said that if you stand too close to if you have a big screen, they say you should stay away from it. And I have a 27 inch. So I try to stay far away from it as much as I can. So it doesn't. My mom used to say that if you stand close to the TV, your eyes can go square. She used to say that as a kid so that we don't stay too close to the TV. And we actually believed her. We used to stay away from the TV because we were afraid that it would happen. So funny. One glass down. I like these glasses. I like to buy original glasses kind of. When I moved here, I bought these glasses. They're in different colors. There's green, red, blue, yellow, purple, I think. Are you drinking wine? No, it's rum. It's Oak Heart rum. Mwahaha. Anyway, and what was I gonna say? I forgot. Yeah, so the glasses that Square Eyes hype. Shiro. I know, right? My mom scared me. There were two things. The thing is this: my mom used to make up these myths. They don't exist, obviously, so that she scares us off from doing things that are, long time no see. Long time no see indeed. So yeah, she used to do that so that we stay away from trouble, kind of. Like for instance, snails. Snails are disgusting, all right? And kids, Bare Bones is awesome, guys. Check out Bare Bones. I think you should. Is he an active YouTuber? Hold on, I'm curious now. Hold on. What is this? He said, what is this? I'm gonna explain what this is. I think he's more of a Twitch guy, actually, Bare Bones. I think Twitch is his thing rather than YouTube. Anyway, so let me explain. First of all, let me just explain the game because the game is a priority rather than my stupid stories. Jackbox TV, you can play with me. All right. You can go to jackbox.tv from your computer, from your browser, from your smartphone, from your tablet. All right. Go to that website, put in your username, and then put that code in AAZW. All right. And you'll join in the game. We're gonna be asked some weird questions, and you can answer them any funny way you want. Like for instance, I don't know, the worst soup flavor in the world is and blank, and you can say anything you want. I don't know, ass sweat. Ass sweat flavor. I don't know. All right, and then we vote on the funniest answers. All right, so yeah, that's what's gonna go. That's what's gonna go down. All right. Speaking of Bare Bones, you must be drunk when you laugh at something I can't even read. Anyway, so what was I saying? So yeah, you can just. We're just waiting for people to join, really. But I mean, even if they don't, link Carino, please. There's no link. You just go jackbox.tv. Look at the instruction, Bare Bones. Or I'm gonna come get you. All right, Sakura, listen to this. I actually ran into Bare Bones a couple of weeks ago when I went to buy The Last Guardian. I went to the store, and and he goes, Shiro is in, and he goes, are you Vloggy Buddy? And I'm like, yeah. I get really awkward when people approach me and they're like, are you Vloggy Buddy? It happens. Not a lot, but it happens. Many times. And anyway, and he goes, are you Vloggy Buddy? I'm like, yeah. And the first thing he says, Bare Bones. Bare Bones is in as well. Fantastic. We should wait for a few more people though. All right, let's hang out. Let's hang out in chat in the meantime. Chicken Dog has said, Anyway, a chicken dog. I haven't finished the chicken dog game, my goodness. So anyway, the first thing Barebones says to me is, "No, I'm not. No, I'm not, Barebones. No, I'm not. I'm just having a drink." As if, no, but it helps me be funny and serious at the same time. What am I saying? No, but seriously. No, you're not, Shiro. You're the prettiest. No, actually, Sakura's the prettiest. Look at her. She's got like her hair. We need more people. At least two more. If we have at least two more people, would be awesome. Two more people, but we can just hang out. I can tell you stupid stories about me. Anyway, the first thing Barebones tell me is, "You are so short. I expected you to be taller." And I'm like, "What? Can you tell the time?" "Yes, it's 23:27. 23:28 now." In your face. In your face. And I'm gonna stand up after I drink this. Hold on. So you guys have any plans for the evening? I know a lot of people go out and celebrate and stuff the New Year. I don't. I don't care. To me, it's just another random day. Honestly, personally, that's just me. It's just another random day. All right, a week starts every week. It's just another year starting. It's another day. All right, nothing's gonna change. Am I meant to see anything on screen right now? No, you're not. It's just the thing. No. It should say like this. Look, I'm gonna show you my phone. It should say like this. Oops, you just saw a lot of icons on screen because it reflected. That's what it should say. You should just wait, all right? 3 bottle hype. Press the button when everybody has joined. Do you want to go right now with 4 people? Do you want to go? Come on, let's go. Do you want to go? Come on, tell me, should we wait for more people or let's go? Because it's giving me an option here. Did you guys hear that? All right. Should I click everybody's in and we start it, or should we just wait for at least 1 more or 2 people? Come on. You guys tell me. In the meantime, I was going to tell you about the snails, for instance. Snails are disgusting, slimy and stuff, and they're not very hygienic. And kids, for some reason, at least here in Malta, they love to play with them, grab them and... so my mom... Do it now! All right, let's do it. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it. But I'm gonna finish the story first of the snails. And I used to tell me, if you grab snails, all right, and you forget to wash your hands afterwards, and then you happen to touch your hair, you will go bald instantly. I posted your channel. Thank you. Everyone's drinking. Yeah, probably. Probably everybody's out drinking. Anyway, so let's go. We're gonna go, guys. All right. Everybody's in. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's very instant, actually. It's very instant. Here we go.
Hello there, welcome aboard. My name is Schmitty, and I'll be your host today. We know you have many choices when it comes to games, and we're happy you chose Quiplash. Wow, there is a really weird energy in this room. Let's just try to get through this, okay? Time for round 1. You'll get
Here
2
we go,
quips
guys.
on your device. Just answer them however you want. Your responses, or quips, will be pitted against someone else's, and everyone will vote on their favorite. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
All right, here we go. That one's good. I'm done with this one. That one's good. All right. Oh, that's it. Just 2 of them. All right, I'm done, guys. I'm done. It's up to you guys. Sakura's ready already. Okay. Shiro's ready. Barebones. Wake up, Barebones. There we go.
Okay, it's time for some quiplashing. First one, something that is currently legal that should be banned. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
I can't vote. Why should it be banned? Well, at least I won. It's only one vote, but I've...
Next in line.
Look at your phones, guys. Look at your
phone.
phone.
Statue of David in. It's voting time. Next up, the worst thing to say when trying to adopt a pet. Time to vote.
Oh my goodness! Whoever came up with this. Shiro. Oh my goodness.
Coming up next, something you should never use as a scarf. Vote on your devices.
I'm guessing that's Sakura's choice. Oh my goodness, I should stop laughing this much. What the heck, man? What the heck, man? Wake up! Hello. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Shiro's winning. Well, it's not letting me type. Seriously?
All points are doubled. Doubled, I say.
Double! Double! Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Why is it not letting you type? What? Seriously? Come on. Something's wrong with your phone. Try refreshing your browser or something. Well, you can't if you refresh your browser, actually. You will get out of the game, probably. So, but I think it's something with your phone, though.
Okay, here we go. The first prompt is a phrase you would love to hear Morgan Freeman say. Okay, pick your favorite.
It works. Okay, that's good. Lucky stra-la-la. Vloggy stra-la-la. You look happy. I am happy. I'm a happy guy. All right. Philly. Playing the
Worst song to play when stripping for your lover. Time to vote.
Oh man. Oh, Shiro. But you're doing well. You're winning. Why did I get the points? 67? I don't get it. If you lose this game, you eat a pepper. Oh my goodness. Should I?
Next one. The one thing you wish a politician would just say already. It's voting time.
I like this. I like this. I like this one. Sakura. defeating me? Really? No.
Okay, next one. A cute name for hemorrhoids. Vote on your devices.
Oh man. Bare bones. Oh man. Oh my goodness, I should stop laughing. This is too much. Okay, for those that don't know about hemorrhoids, they do look like a bunch of grapes hanging out. Apparently, that's what they say. I haven't seen them. Google them. Check out hemorrhoids. Google hemorrhoids images. I'm not gonna eat it. In your faces. Make me lose, guys. Make me lose. Make me lose, and I'll eat one. Oh my goodness.
Point values
Tripled now. Triple points. Come on.
the same prompt this time.
Make me lose, and I'll eat one.
Flash prompt is the Old English term for vagina.
It's not a fart. I don't know. Oh man. Yeah, you need to be creative with this one.
Time to take a look. Vote now. You get 3 votes this round to spread out any way you like. Or give them a answer.
What? What is this? What is this? You don't put your name in. What did you guys do? Why is it saying Vloggebody? I'm not getting this. I don't get it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. An old term for vagina is Vloggebody. I don't get this. I hope I don't lose anyway. I got 70%. Sakura, please don't win. I'll have to eat a ghost pepper. Hunter! Hey, welcome! Did I lose?
It's
Oh my
over. Let's take a look at the final scores.
I win. I win. I don't get to eat a ghost pepper. In your face. Victory dance. Oh man. I win. In your faces. Victory sip. Ah, it's so good. Victory sip. Alright, so. New players. I'm gonna go again for new players. And we're gonna start over. No! We're gonna do it again. We're gonna start over. Watch it. Heck. Alright, hold on. You haven't this close. Alright, we're gonna try a new one. Let's go again. Alright, let's wait for more players now. Alright, redo. Alright, but please don't gang up on me, okay? Alright, it's very important that you don't make it obvious what your answer is. Alright? VBU setup. Twin. You're right. Okay, so let's go again. Alright? And I'm gonna show you the pepper that I'm actually gonna eat. I'm gonna choose the smallest one. Screw you guys. Sakura's in. Final is here. Oh wow, I didn't see you in chat. Are you here? Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, if I lose, oh my goodness, I hope I'm not being stupid, but if I lose, I'm gonna eat this one. Oh my goodness, you guys are gonna enjoy this. That Jim Bean tastes awful. Jim Bean? Yeah, Jim Bean. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Come on, let's have a look at Baloo's. I haven't eat that pepper. You'd love to see me eat that pepper, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna show you the pepper. Look at this. Look at this. This is a jalapeno. It's a habanero. It's even hotter than jalapenos. So if you think, all right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, excluding me, there's another 4. That's nice. All right, let's get another 2, perhaps. Let's get another 2. Come on, come on. Let's wait. Look at this. I'm actually licking it. Look. All right, come on. Finest lurking. I love lurkers. People do. It came off. It came off. It came off. There it is. It's on the floor. There it is. It came off. The thing came off. The stem. All right. Now I'm not gonna lick it because actual thing is exposed. So I'm gonna be careful now. All right. There it is, guys. There it is. Ooh. All right. We must make Vloggy eat that pepper. All right, guys. If you cheat, all right, you find a way to actually make me lose this game on purpose. This needs to be a legit game, okay? Otherwise, I won't eat it. I will end the stream abruptly. All right. Where do I put this so you can actually see this? I can't. The stem broke off. I can't even hang it or anything like that. I'm gonna put it back though. There we go. I put back the stem. All right. So, Joe, some guy called Joe is in. Do we go? Do we go or should we wait for another person? All right, guys, we're gonna go. I don't care. Oh my goodness, I am so scared. Actually, losing is very trivial because if I'm in the second place. If I'm in the second place, it's not that. All right, what do you guys think if we just say the first top 3? Top 3. Come on, top 3. What about top 3? Welcome, 10-minute gamer. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, let's do this. Sakura says, let's do this. I listen to her, all right? All right, I'm going to listen to her. Let's go. Let's go. It's going to happen. We're going in. We're going... Oh, ouch. All right, everybody's in. I'm going to push it right now. Look, look, look. Gonna make me eat the pepper. I know you are. Top 2. Top 2. Barebone says top 2. He's being reasonable. Top 2.
Theme song? Check. Schmitty? Check. Players? All right, good group. Now remember, if Gandhi were alive, this is exactly what he would be doing right now. This is round 1. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go.
If you don't win, come on. I have 1 in 6 chances to win. That's not good. 1 in 2 at least. 1 in 2. All right. We're good. We're good. No Philly. Top 2, like Barebone says. Because I have 1 in 6 chance to win. It's not fair. It's not fair. Come on. It's very unlikely. Top 2. Top 2, like Barebone says. That's reasonable. It's still very unlikely, but at least.
Way to keep warm on a cold winter night. Okay, everyone, who's your favorite?
Oh my goodness. No! No! Why didn't you vote, Sakura? Hi, I'm G001. Welcome to the stream, and you're welcome to join.
Has really been yelling all these years. Time to vote.
Oh my goodness, guys, make me laugh. Come on, come join the game. Here, Maltese, I'm GW1. Oh, my goodness, Sakura. You're killing me.
Next up, a good sign that you've drunk too much Mountain Dew. It's voting time.
I like this one. Okay. So you must be Maltese. Or maybe you're European, very close to Malta. I'm assuming. Oh, come on! Seriously? Everybody's doing better than me. Oh my goodness. This doesn't look good. Shut up, Sakura. Stop laughing.
Okay, next one. Santa Claus would be a bigger badass if his sleigh were driven by 8 tiny.
This is good.
Vote on your devices.
I like this. I like this. I like this one.
And next, a college major you don't see at many universities. It's voting time.
Oh man. Ooh. Not good. Alright, come on, I need to do better than that.
Next one, a brand name for a medication that intentionally causes male impotence. Time to vote.
I don't know, both names don't make any sense to be honest with you, but at least there was the word balls in it, so that's why I went for that. Quiplash! You got a Quiplash, Joe. Well done.
That's the end of round 1. Let's take a look at the scores.
So, oh my goodness! I got no chance to win this one. I'm gonna eat habanero.
It was worth 2 times as much as that silly round 1.
I hate you guys, all of you. Oh, come on, Sakura, you love me. You should be on my side. Okay, we're good.
Let's start this show. First up,
It's fine, Sakura.
the worst thing you could rub all over your face. Pick your favorite.
I'm Maltese and you are laughing. Why are you laughing anyway? Because this game is very funny. And because...
Next in line, a better name for the human bladder. It's voting time.
Good one. That's a good one. Who came up with that? I'm curious. That's good. Final. Yeah. Bear doesn't know. Like some, I don't know. Quiplash. Good one, final.
Coming up next, the worst thing about Canada. Vote on your device.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I should stop laughing this much. Good one. So good. Who came up with that? I'm curious. Joe. Good one, Joe. Canadians. Oh man.
And next is another name for Canada. It's voting time.
Oh, oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are so original. Shiro. Good one. Bear. Oh, Bear, you lost. Quiplash, Shiro. Welcome. Well done. Welcome. Well done.
And next,
Oh my goodness.
something you shouldn't stuff with cheese. Time to vote.
Oh man. Why did nobody vote? Well, at least I got 100%. But still, why did nobody vote? Are you guys sleeping? Wake up!
Next up, a strange poster to hang in a college dorm room. Vote on your devices.
Oh man. Bare bones. It's all about being the most original, funniest person in the room, basically. That's what it is. Joe. I don't know why you got the majority anyway. Oh, there's someone in the audience. That's what it is. I get it now. There's someone in the audience that favored you. It's not just the players. Oh, wow.
We've reached the end of round 2. Let's see what happened.
Oh, my goodness. At least I'm third place. I just need to get one more spot. Oh, man. Sound. Okay.
Round
I
3,
was
the
mixing your
last
drink,
round.
Shiro.
Points are tripled, and everyone gets the same one single prompt this time.
I need to do this. I can't lose.
Our last flash prompt is... The worst children's board game would be blank blank hippos.
Oh my goodness. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm gonna myself another drink in the meantime. Sakura's ready. Guys, take your time. You got 18 seconds. That's a fart sound, is it? I love fart sounds. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this tonight. Ooh, somebody's falling asleep. Ooh, you lost. Okay, hold on.
All right, we're ready. Apply your votes.
Okay, I like that. All right, good. Let's go. Bare Bones, he fell asleep. Come on, I know it's almost midnight, but it's not that bad. Come on, Bare Bones. Come on. All right, this is funny. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Joe, you're killing me. Oh, final.
That's all. Now for the final scores.
Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, Shiro. What does that mean, what does that mean, guys? What does that mean about me? Hmm? What does that mean? You guys tell me in chat. What does that mean? I got 100% in butthole. Alright. Oh my goodness. What does that mean? What do you mean, bare balls? Why are you yaying? Oh my goodness. Eat what, Sakura? Eat what? Oh, I have. You want me to eat it? I am gonna eat it. I don't care. You have no idea how much of a tough guy I am. All right. But here's what we're gonna do, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. All right. Oh my god, I should have put it in the title of the channel of the stream. I'm not. This came up randomly. Somebody just brought it up. I don't know who. But anyway, all right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start another game, and while we are waiting for people to join, I'm gonna eat. All right. So new players. All right. Here we go. We're gonna do it again. All right. I am gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Don't worry. All right. You've been disconnected. Okay. All right. We're gonna go again. We're gonna go again. All right. It's a good that there's a stream delay because I always get to be first, and I like that. that's not enough, right? Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. While we wait for more people, I'm gonna eat the pepper. Okay. We're gonna do it. We are gonna do it. We are gonna do it. I'm gonna put my phone on the side here. Okay. Sakura as always first. Oh, Godiva. Ooh, you got a Godiva in the Shiro. Okay. Can we hit 8 people this time? Huh? Alright, so here's the pepper. The stem's already been removed. So I'm just gonna do this. Alright. Yeah, right. You think I'm gonna be like that? Just... No. I'm gonna go wash it first, okay? Because I bought it. I didn't wash them yet. Alright, I'm gonna wash it first. And it fell on the floor at one point. Alright. Ooh, wow, can we wait for another one person perhaps? One more? Let's see. I'm gonna go wash this baby first. And I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna be right back. Oh my goodness. Can I eat half of it? This is really hot, guys, okay? Oh! It's 5 seconds past midnight! Oh, okay. It's 2007 here. I'm in the future, guys. And I'm gonna tell you what happens. Nothing, okay? I'm in the future and nothing happened yet. Alright. Thank you, Sakura. Final hope. Oh my goodness. We're almost there. I'm gonna go wash it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put the headset here. Can you guys hear me? I'm gonna put the headset here. I'm gonna be right back. Eat the whole pepper, says Final. Come on. Do I have to actually swallow it? Do I have to swallow it? Alright. If we can get one more person to join while I eat this, it would be fantastic. Alright? Alright, here we go. Here. What time you got there? It's 1 minute past midnight. It's 2007 here. Right, here we go. Guys, it's gonna happen. Oh my goodness, it's gonna happen. I don't like this, guys. Do I have to swallow it? Do I have to swallow? This is gonna hurt. Final hope says yes. Come on, have some mercy. I hate you guys, all of you. Thank you for the support, by the way. Thank you. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Eat it and swallow. Okay. That's what she said. Here we go. 1, 2. This is how I'm gonna start 2017. This is not good. Swallow it like a man. But in Kelmek, ta Sakura. I said that in Maltese, so you don't understand. Alright, here we go. Cheap excuses all over the place. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's down. It's down the hatch. Ah! It doesn't burn that much. I told you I'm tough. It burns, but I'm trying to keep my cool. Wow. Okay, hold on. Bare bones goes rip. Ah! Oh my goodness. No, I don't have milk. Oh my goodness. It burns. Oh my goodness. Ah! I have to keep drinking. Be right back, guys. All right. Oh my god, I got tears coming out of my eyes. Ugh. It's a good way to start the year. Yes, Vina, thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Even my nose is ready. Oh. I don't have milk. I'm lactose intolerant. I hate you all. Everybody's in. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Schmitty. That's spelled.
Ah.
All right, feeling good, you guys? Well, we'll see if we can fix that.
No
Let's
pepper
go.
this time, okay? Please give me a break.
This is round one. You get points based on the percentage of people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have a funny one, but I don't want to be offensive. Hold on. I have a funny one, but I don't want to be offensive to anyone. Oh my goodness. I have good answers, but they're offensive. I need to be careful, guys. I have 40 seconds left. All right, we're good. Oh man, I'm calming down now. I don't know. I still have lactose stuff. I still have cheese and stuff, but I'm better now. Oh, this is gonna hurt tomorrow. You know, coming out. It's gonna hurt tomorrow. Varo! Oh man, if you can't join the game, join the audience.
Here we go.
Please vote for
Starting
me.
things off,
Please.
if you were allowed allowed to name someone else's baby any weird thing you wanted, what would you name it? Okay, pick your favorite.
Okay. Oh, he's using mobile data. It doesn't use a lot of mobile data, but still, I don't want to be responsible. GG, Joe. GG. Quiplash, you got a Quiplash, wow.
Next
mouth
in
still
line,
burns.
the 11th commandment, thou shalt not. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, whoever came up with this is funny. Oh man. Oh wow, seriously? Not bear. I like your username, not bear. Oh, Varo, thank you so much for joining us. You're on the bus and you're joining us anyway. I like that.
Vote on your devices.
Sorry, I'm burping. This is killing me. I really appreciate you hanging out. I mean, dropping by. I don't expect you to hang out for long. But, I'm sorry, if you see me like this right now, hold on, I need to see my points. Oh, in your face! In your face! Because you're on the bus and you're using mobile data. And I got a Quiplash in your face! Yeah, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Something
Those
you
answers.
probably shouldn't try to sell on eBay.
Oh my goodness, that has to be Sakura. Oh my goodness. That has to be Sakura. I knew it. You are a dirty girl, Sakura.
Okay, next
Breathe,
one.
Lucky. Okay.
Short motto,
Levy,
everyone
try to
should
find
live
some
by.
place where you can actually play this with us. What just happened? I missed what was going on. Oh man, that was funny.
Next in line, what would you do if you were left alone in the White House for an hour?
Ooh, nice. Good question. These are
It's
not.
voting time.
Oh my god. It is the better answer. It's bad, but it is the better answer. Oh man. Good one. GG. Final. You're good at this game.
And next is the weirdest thing you can buy at the Vatican gift shop. Vote on your device.
Oh man. Oh, come on, seriously? Mine was funnier! Oh man. Oh, you
That's all
guys.
for round
Hey,
one.
Chase!
Here's the
Welcome!
scoreboard.
Okay, come on, I have to be first. I got a Quiplash. Ooh, wow, the fourth? You, Joe, you're good. You're good, Joe. You're
Round
good.
one, where all point values are doubled. That's right, doubled.
After this finishes, I need to pee, huh? Alright, so. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can think of better than that. Come on. Alright. I'm not very happy with this answer, but that's all I got. Okay. We'll see. You guys are awesome. How are you, Chase? Sakura. Okay, sure, no problem.
Okay, it's
Don't
time
worry
for
about
some
it.
Quiplashing. The first prompt is a kinky, weird thing that does not happen in 50 Shades of Grey, as far as you know. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, oh my goodness. You guys are so bad. That had to be Sakura. That has to be Sakura again. That has to be Sakura. That has to be Sakura. It's Bear. Ooh. Well done, Bear. Wow. You're naughty.
And next, a bad name for a water park.
Ooh, nice. Good question.
Time to vote.
Oh, who came up with that? That's so funny. Wow, Quiplash. Did you get a Quiplash? No? Still not. Yes, Quiplash. Well done, Bear. Wow. PP World.
Coming up next, something you'd be surprised
Splash
to
and
see
fun,
out
yeah?
of a pimple you pop. It's voting time.
Come on. Was that Sakura? Sakura? You have a reputation, okay? Oh, there she is. Seriously, I'm the only one that thinks Worm is the funniest? Really? Oh, you guys.
Next up, a vanity license plate a jerk in an expensive car would get.
Good one. Whoever came up with that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so good. Definitely, Joe. Well done. GG. Sakura. You see what you get when you when you're naughty? Oh man, that's so funny.
The best reason to go to Australia. Time to vote.
It's all about the kangaroos in Australia. That's it. All right. Oh, my stomach burns. Final. GG final.
Next
Is that
in
it?
line, the toy surprise in an unhappy meal.
Unhappy meal. Ooh. Oh, that's so funny. That is funny. What's gonna happen here? Ah! In your face, final. In your face. Oh man.
And
My
next
throat
is
burns.
a tourist attraction in hell.
Interesting.
Vote on your devices.
Alright, alright. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Shiro. You kicked my butt on this one.
Round 2 is now complete. Let's see who completed
How am I
it
doing?
well.
I'm the 4th place. Wow, still 4th place. GG, not bear. Round 3.
This is
Fight!
round
Oops, I locked
3,
my phone.
the Last lash. One final chance to catch up. Point values are tripled, and
Oh, man, I
everyone gets the
burped.
Same prompt this time.
It burnt my throat. Oh man.
Our prompt is: if a winning coach gets Gatorade dumped on his head, what should get dumped on the losing coach?
Of course. Of course. Is that it? We're done? Okay. I look uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm not very comfortable right now, but it's gonna be okay. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, guys. Okay, Shiro is gone, yeah? So we're gonna have to wait um, another 9 seconds for him to expire. Oh, he's still there, actually. Oh,
And here's
okay.
what you did.
I thought he left.
Give out your votes now.
I like this one. I like... Oh my goodness, so much jizz here. What's wrong with you guys? Okay, there we go. Oh, you guys. Empty. Ooh. Uh, Joe. The jizz gets it. I got 19. I'm the best, no? And there's another 19. Okay, well, at least. Oh, Sakura! Oh, I hate you, Sakura.
That's the end. Let's see the final scoreboard.
Oh my goodness, my stomach is hurting. You guys are amazing. Joe is the winner. You're good, Joe. You are good. You are good. Doo-doo butt. How's your mouth? It's okay now, but my stomach hurts, huh? My stomach hurts. I'm gonna be honest with you. I may have to end the stream abruptly to visit the toilet. Or unless you want me to continue the stream from the toilet. Alright, so, hold on. We're gonna go for new players again. If anybody wants to join, new players again. Alright, I went in again. New players. Alright. Oh, hold on. We have to try again. Start over. Alright, so we're back in. We're back in, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go pee. Alright, I'm gonna go pee. Wash my mouth. Alright, maybe we can get all 8 people here this time. We keep doing better and better. I'm gonna make myself another drink. In the meantime, that's it. I was gonna say something else. Oh yeah, because we're in 2017, my channel is all gonna be about Resident Evil for January because of Resident Evil 7. Alright, so there's an Ashley here. Is that the Ashley I know? Sailor Moon, are you here? Sailor Mars, sorry, Sailor Mars, are you here? Anyway, I'm gonna go pee. Alright, and then I'm gonna change. Final? Alright, wow, we're good. Where's Sakura? Okay, Sakura must be Ashley then. Sakura must be Ashley. Nice try. Nice try, Sakura, changing your name so we don't recognize you. Alright, no, Sakura's there. Oh man, that's another one. That's another one. Oh man, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go pee. Alright, and then when I get back, I'm gonna make myself another drink. And then I'm gonna change my YouTube channel header thing, alright? Because it's all about Resident Evil this month. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna mute it so you don't hear my pee. And farts. No, I'm kidding. I don't do that. He lied. You touch the tra-la-la. All right, so my stomach burns, huh? But I'm gonna change while I'm here. I'm gonna change the wallpaper of my, not wallpaper, whatever it's called, channel art of my YouTube account, my YouTube channel. Where's my pointer? There it is. Wow, it's so small. Because it's all about Resident Evil this year, okay? So this is gonna be the last non-Resident Evil game I'm gonna be playing before next month. Alright, so I'm gonna change the art real quick and then I'll make myself a drink and we can play again real quick. Alright, so YouTube's real quick. Hold on, bear with me. Bear with me, guys! Oh. Seriously, Barry? Oh, where's Barry? Not Barry. Where's Barry? There's a channel here called Where's Barry. Alright, I'm giving him a shout out anyway. He's a Resident Evil channel, but he's a complete noob when it comes to certain games. No, wrong button. You can't see what I'm doing right now, can you? No, okay, good. Alright, so edit channel art. Your photos. No, upload photos. I'll be right back, guys. I need to upload this live when everybody's watching because it's cool that way. So, desktop, art. Now I did this one myself. All right, guys. I did this one myself. So please don't laugh at the simplicity. Where is it? I don't know where I saved it. Oh my goodness. It's not here. It's not here. I don't know where it is. It's not in my usual art album. Did I save it here? Perhaps? Oh man, I was hoping I would change it live, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to find it. Oh, where are you? It's not here. Maybe RE? No, res, nothing. I don't know where it went. I did make one, but I can't find it. Come on. Let's try one more time. Not this one! Oops. This mouse I'm using has a tendency, when I click, it senses 2 clicks for some reason. I don't know why. No. RE art, there it is. Is it here? Nope. I can put it here for some reason. But the thing is, I have a few drinks now and I can't really focus. No problem. It's not a problem. It is not a problem. Here's what we're gonna do. No problem. I sent a copy to True. I wanted to show True the art. So I'm gonna save it now and there we go. There it is. Save image. Where did it go? Art and animation 4B. All right, hold on. I'm gonna do this, guys. All right. I'm updating it right now, live. Here it comes. There it goes. I just updated my channel art to go with the theme. Of this month's YouTube. this month's channel. Okay, we're gonna go. I'm gonna minimize now. What's going on in chat? So, Vloggy needs to visit New York City. Really, Sakura? Because I'm planning to do that. It's true, I'm not kidding. Alright, hello Tina. Alright, wow, we've got 8 people. Guys, are you guys ready? I hope everyone's ready. And I need feedback on what you guys think on the channel art. I just updated it. January is all gonna be about Resident Evil, guys. If you're a fan of Resident Evil, everybody's in. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna play all the Resident Evil games this month. We're gonna go. Alright, here we go.
Quiplash is the game. Okay, let's have a good clean fight.
Somebody just subscribed. Hey, 10 Minute, thank you for the sub. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Round one. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
I'm thinking. Come on, Ken, you're better than that. Come on. Alright, I got it. Alright, got this one right. Next. Oh, nice, wow. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, I can't think of anything for this one. Oh man, this was a lame question, I'm sorry.
Our first prompt is
I'm gonna lose
what
this
to
one.
do when your parachute fails.
Nice.
Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
Oh my goodness, who came up with that? That's so funny. Nice one. Oh, you guys. I smell the wood burning. What wood? What you talking about, Willis? Nice, final. Oh, nice one, final. Did you get Quiplash? No, because Ashley voted the other thing.
Okay,
All right.
next one. The name of a new perfume by Betty White.
Nice one. Whoever came up with this one. Good. I'm gonna make myself another drink in the meantime. Good one. Joe.
Next one. Come up with a name for a generic brand of hot dogs that you probably shouldn't buy. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm guessing that one's Sakura's. Of course Sakura's gonna get it. Of course. Oh, it was me! I got the second-hand sausage! Ah, Sakura. I knew it was yours.
Coming up next. Turns out the meaning of life is blank. Vote on your
Oh my, that's so good! That is such a good answer. That is such a good answer. I like that. The sip is for you. Well done, Ashley. I like that.
And next. Why is the sky blue?
Oh no.
Next in line. The worst name for a tanning salon.
Guys, something happened. I'm out of the game. Let me see if I can join real quick. Hold on. Sorry guys. Something happened and I'm out of the game right now.
allows peanut butter to contain up to 10% blank. Vote on your devices.
Both of them feces, amazing. Feces, everyone feces. Tina. Ooh, nice. I'm with the audience, guys. I was the audience. I'm out of the game for some reason.
Next one, something that will get you thrown out of a Wendy's. It's voting time.
Good one. I don't know what I hit, but I'm out of the game. I don't know how it happened, but sorry. Sorry about that. I'm at the audience now. So I'm with the audience, okay? I still decide who wins. Really? Wow.
That's round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
Oh man, I'm out of the game now. I can't compete anymore. Oh, I can't compete anymore. I got out of the game. Oh
Now round
man.
two, where all points
Sorry guys, I'm
are
out of the game.
on
I'll just vote. Like audience. Oh man, I hate myself. I'm sorry, I can't vote. You guys go on without me. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I can't join. I got an advert to buy the game. I have the game. What's wrong with you? Okay, you guys go ahead. I'm trying to be obvious. This vlog always calls me out. I'm trying not to be obvious. Okay, I'm trying not to be obvious. But it's true, Sakura. Come on. We know you. You are so predictable. I'm hungry. I'm hungry now. I'm just gonna sit here, comment on your choices, alright? And then vote. But I can't do anything. I must have clicked back or something, I don't know. I got out of the game, sorry about that. Vloggy has to eat the hot pepper. No, I can't participate anymore, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It was really hot, guys. It was really hot. I didn't even plan on eating those like that. I mean, I was gonna make some meatballs with those. A meatball. That's me down there. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. I'm sorry, okay? My goodness, the one time we got 8 people.
Okay, here we
I
go.
had to be the one that drops out. I'm sorry.
The first and second rules of Fight Club are don't talk about Fight Club. But what's the 387th rule of Fight Club?
That's a good one.
Okay, pick your favorite.
Oh my goodness, who came up with that answer? That's so good. That is so good. That is so good. I like that. Maybe just a little. I like that one. It would have been funnier if it said, okay, maybe just a little. Okay first. But good
Next
one.
up, an angry review you'd give this game. Time to vote.
Oh, come on. Nice one. Joe, well done.
And next is invent a new word for the toilet that sounds like it's from Shakespeare.
Ooh. Oh, that was probably mine. Oh man, sorry. Sorry.
Next, what's really in a camel's hump?
Ooh.
Vote on your devices.
I hate you, but that's a good answer. Of course it was Sakura. Stop pulling my leg, Sakura.
And next, a terrible name for a clown.
Ooh, good question. Wow, I love that.
It's voting time.
Both so good. They are both so good. Oh man. Oh my goodness, they are both good. That was a hard choice. Oh man. And you won.
Next in line, like chicken fingers or chicken poppers, a new appetizer name for your fun theme restaurant, Chicken Blank.
Chicken? Oh man. Oh man. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys are so random. Yeah. That was a good one. Quiplash final. GG.
Next one, like plutonium or Einsteinium, what would you name the next periodic table element they discover?
Oh man, I would have forgot some great ideas. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, next one. Invent a family-friendly replacement word that you could say instead of an actual curse word.
Nice.
It's voting time.
I like that one. I like that one. Who came up with that? That's a good one. Good one, Sakura. I like this. Good one, Sakura. That's me. The audience is me. Let's see who won.
That's the end of round two. Let's take a look at the scores.
Round 3.
Welcome to the
Fight.
last lash, the final round. Stakes are tripled. There's just one prompt, and you're all getting it. The prompt is: a real weirdo would fall asleep to the sounds of blank.
Oh, so good. I wish I was playing. Oh my goodness. I wish I was playing. Ah! That is so good. Ashley went first. Sakura next. Shiro. That's so good. Such a good question. Joe, final. Tina went next. I think it's Berbo's next. Berbo's still thinking. Oh, you got 10 seconds to go, buddy. Okay, and me. I'm out. Sorry about that.
All right, here's the board. Hand out your votes.
I like this one. Just one? I could only choose one as an audience? Oh, man. Okay. God dang it. I could only choose one. Alright, you guys go. You got 3 each. No, there it is. Apply 3 votes. Now audience members only get 1 vote. It's interesting. You know, guys, I bought this game for both consoles, platforms. I got it on Mac and I got it on PS4. But I got it on I got it on... I'm streaming it from my Mac because latency is lower. There's less delay on this one than on PS4. Ashley, naughty girl. Not bear. You're bad. That would have been me. Oh, why didn't I choose that one? I didn't see that one. I like that one, the dancer. Wow, Tina. Well done. You're the best, I think, so far, yeah? Yeah, you are. Who won? I'm
That's
so
it.
curious about
Let's
this
take
one.
a look at the
I
final
lost,
scores.
obviously. Doesn't count. Well done, final. Well done. Nice one. Well done. That was good. That was good. Okay, I'm getting hungry. Now, I promised myself I would start diet the moment it started 2017. No more carbs, no more sugars. But I got distracted by the game, and I have in my refrigerator I have some of my dad's pudding. I still haven't eaten it yet. Ate it. I still haven't eaten it yet, so I'm gonna grab it real quick. It's so good. I'll play one more. Yes, I would love to play one more actually. Yes, let's go again. Let's go again. How does it work? Go. All right. Here we go. We're gonna go again, guys. But in the meantime, I'll go grab my dad's pudding from the fridge. Gonna have dinner. All right, Tina. Thank you so much for hanging out. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. Thank you so much for hanging out. Let's try again. We're gonna go again. Back. We're gonna play a game. I'm gonna go first before you guys go. SB P. Oh my goodness. SPB PD. No! 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 SPBD. Yes. Yes. Play. Am I first? Yeah, I went in first. I'm gonna go grab my dad's pudding. It's so good, man. I will mute the game, so not Bear and Ashley. I'm gonna mute the game, mute the, so you don't hear me munch and chew and stuff. It's gross. I'll be right back. Okay, okay. We're gonna wait for a while. Okay, we're gonna wait for a while so that maybe we can get one or two more. All right. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat. I don't care, but I am so hungry. I'm gonna put this thing over here, and I'm gonna mute so you don't hear me chew, because it's gross. What? Happy 2017 raid! What? 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 Welcome, Raiders! I'm eating pudding and I've got food in my mouth. Worst way to greet you guys. I'm gonna give you a shout out, all of you. Okay, hold on. There's Prone to Being Floppy. Awesome username. Feoself. And there's KV Miller. And there's... Oh, I can't read that one. I've been drinking. Chaos Head, and then there's Kevin, and there's Fasty Base. This has to be Fasty then. Or is it Barry? Which one of you is doing the raid? Oh man. Anning. Oh man, and Haven, I know you. I've seen you on Barry's and Fosty's streams. Oh guys, I'm playing. Whoever gets there first. This one's. Oop, we're done. Okay, guys. Oh, even though we're full, there's 8 people here. All right, you can actually join as audience. There's 2 audiences already. All right, that's nice. You guys are fast. You're not even giving me the chance to explain what's going on. All right, this is gonna be awesome. This round is gonna be awesome, guys. All right, so guys, go to Jackbox TV. All right, put in a username, whatever. You can make that up, whatever. All right. Oh my goodness, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you so much. All right, I'm eating pudding, my dad's pudding, and I'm having some rum and Coke. All right. Hey Raven, welcome. Oh man, so nice to see you guys. Oh man. Hey John, of course I remember you, John. Of course I remember you. Back from my Resident Evil 3 stream. So good to see you guys. All right, so here's what's going on. All right, we're playing Quiplash. All right, you guys can join in without even buying the game. All right, if you're on a smartphone or a tablet or whatever, open up a browser, go to Jackbox TV, put in a random username, whatever. All right, and then a password SBPD. All right, you can join in with the audience so I can vote on the funny answers. I'm sorry, I'm burping. Sorry about that. So here's what's going on. They're gonna ask us random questions, and there's no correct answer. All right, whoever is the most hilarious, all right, gets to win. And we're gonna go right now. Mars, Sailor Mars, welcome. Nice to see you. My sister's texting me. I'm sorry, Quiplash is more important. Okay, go away. And my name is pronounced Keshehad. Am I saying that right? Keshehad? Keshehad. Alright, I'll try to remember that. Thank you for explaining. I'm stupid. I'm not. Alright, I don't drink but I'll watch. Thank you! Alright, here we go. 5 people in the audience. Let's go. We're gonna start. I'm gonna click everybody's in right now. Look at that. Where's my finger? Where's my finger? There we go. Here we go. I am wearing pantsuit. It's cold. I am wearing pantsuit. Of course I'm wearing. Here we go. Here we go.
Don't waste any time. I'm Schmitty. This is Quiplash, and we're on Earth. That about covers it. Yep.
Okay, here we go.
I think I already know who the funny one is. Well, we'll see if I'm right. Time for round 1. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. You guys are gonna enjoy this one. Oh my goodness. These questions are amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right, let's go.
Okay, it's time for some quick.
Thank you for the sub, prone to being floppy. I like your username.
Name a new movie starring a talking goat who is president of the United States.
Ooh, good question.
Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Thank you for the sub, Fasty Pace. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. Oh my goodness. All right. Well done, Stinky.
Next up.
Thank you for the sub, Kevin.
Flavor that no one would ever order.
Good question.
Vote on your devices.
Oh, goodness. Oh man. That was you, Final? I would have sworn that was Sakura. Good one.
Coming up next, the worst advice your boxing coach could give you. It's voting time.
Alright, let's go. This is good. Booyah! 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 Booyah, Ashley! Give up, YouTube. Mine was better.
And next is the name of a new game show that sounds terrible.
Oh my goodness. Who came up with that answer? Oh man, I'm so curious. You guys are amazing. Sakura, what? Of course. It's always you, Sakura. It's always you. Oh, really? Well done, Mr. Floppers. Well done. I was with you, not Bear. I was with you, Bear.
And next, what dogs think when they see people naked. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness. I need to stop laughing. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so curious about this one. Nice one, I win. Ah! Good one. Am I gonna win? It feels like I'm gonna win. It feels like I'm gonna win. I'm not even playing. Seriously, Sakura? Why not? Hmm?
Fine. What's lurking under your bed when you sleep? It's voting time.
I like this answer. I'm sorry. You guys. You guys are funny. Oh, people go for vloggy. Well done, Ashley. Good one.
Okay, next one. The first names of each of your nipples.
Oh man, I hate you for coming up with that name. You know I'm gonna vote for that one. But it's good. So good. Oh man. You guys are awesome. Not Bear. It was you, Bear. Seriously. The audience voted. Oh, it's 5 and 5. Wow, 50-50. Wow, that's good. That was good.
Next one.
Well done, Bear.
The worst thing to try to sell door to door. Time to vote.
I like that one. Whoever came up with that is amazing. I like that. Who came up with that? That's smart and funny at the same time. Ooh, uranium. Mr. Floppers. So close. Nice.
At the end of round one, let's take a look at the
Guys,
scores.
reminder, you can always join the audience by you going to the website and putting that code over there. Just so we're clear. I'm first! Oh man, I'm gonna do the dance. I'm gonna do the dance if I win.
Round two is straight ahead, and that means all points are doubled.
So you must be in the UK. Keshi Head, am I saying that right? Oh, yeah, right, Sakura. Why aren't you playing? Huh? Why aren't you playing? Using it as an excuse. I don't know if this joke is in bad taste, but we'll try. We're gonna try. I don't know. This could be in a very bad taste, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, I'm done. Sailor always pulls my leg when it comes to Resident Evil 4. I always associate Sailor Mars with Resident Evil 4. I don't know why. I think it's because the first time I met her on my streams was Resident Evil 4. Is that you over there? Is that you?
Let's start this show.
I think it was you, eh?
Our first
Sakura,
prompt
the
is
one that didn't.
the worst thing to whisper during pillow talk. Okay.
Oh my goodness! Who is that? Who chose that one answer? Oh my goodness! You guys. Joe. Oh my goodness. Is that really that bad? Will you marry me on the pillow? Really? Is it that bad? Okay, noted. I'll make a note of that.
Next in line, the worst theme for a pinball machine. It's voting time.
I don't know why, but I really like this one. Oh man. What, Sakura? What? What did I do? What did I do, Sakura? Why you hate me? Come on. I sent you a video that I didn't send to anyone else but you. And Swalby. But I sent it to you. 2061. Well done, Final. You're good at this game, Final.
Superman's
Your humor is amazing. I would love to hang out with you for a drink.
vote on your devices.
Oh man. Why aren't you playing, Sakura? Why? Why? Ooh, GG, Mr. Floppers. GG. He's
Okay,
really
next
good.
one. A business or service that shouldn't have a drive-through window.
That's a Maltese guy. I'm gonna go for it. What the heck? Oh man! I clicked back again on my browser. What the heck? Why did this happen again? Oh. Bear, I was gonna go on your side, but they don't know what Pastizzi is. I would have voted for you. But it went back again. Oh man.
And next is
I should be careful when I handle my phone. Maybe I should go from my tablet. I don't know. Yes, fail indeed, Sakura. Pull my leg, make fun of me.
next up. Something that absolutely doesn't make you think of a penis on some level. It's voting time.
Doesn't make you think of penis on some level. Alright, it doesn't. It doesn't. Elephants have the... Alright. It doesn't. Joe? Obviously. Elephants have the stinky. Come on, man. Good choice, Raven. Good choice. And it's an honor to have you here.
And next, a great birthday present for your worst enemy. Time to vote.
Good one. Seriously? 50-50 at least. I didn't lose.
Next in line, a slogan to get everyone excited about corn.
Ooh, what a good one.
Vote on your devices.
When it's in your dark pla? When it's in your dark pla? Oh man, corn is the best. When it's in your dark pla? Popping corn. I'm gonna go with popping corn. Sorry. Hey Tabby! Welcome. Nice to see you. Yes, it is a fun game. Alright, here's what's gonna happen, alright? This round's about to end soon, I think. Basically, the game asks us questions and there's no correct answer. People write their answers and people vote for the funniest answer.
Fire up the scoreboard.
You can still join the audience by voting as part of the audience, but when the round ends, you can actually participate. Vlog is going down because I'm not even in the game now. I'm sorry about that. Sorry. Round 3.
And now,
But you can join the audience at any point by going to jackbox.tv and putting in that password over there. From your smartphone, from your tablet, whatever. I'm using my smartphone right now. I'm gonna switch to my tablet though because I keep hitting back for some reason. I don't know why. Sorry about that.
When he sees you naked.
I can't play right now because people are voting. That's fine. I'm gonna switch to my tablet because I keep hitting back for some reason. Hey, Tabby. Raven, I don't know if I told you this already because I've been telling everyone, Jack and Sakura, but I'm gonna be having a Resident Evil month in January. I mean, this month. Look at that. It's midnight already. So this month I'm gonna be having. So I would love to have you as an extra player on my game. I'm going to be playing Resident Evil 5, that requires another player, and Resident Evil 6, and Resident Evil Operations Raccoon City. So yeah, if you would like to join, yeah.
Ready to look.
Let's go.
Vote with your votes now.
That was good. All right. Good one. Yes, yes, John. I will be streaming Resident Evil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Outbreak, Code Veronica, all of the Resident Evil games I'll be streaming in January. This month. It's already midnight, so January. Yeah. I'm having a Resident Evil month in January, so I will be streaming it for sure. Vlog, yeah, I have to get 6. I have 5 already. But you do have Operation Raccoon City, right? Raven? You already have Operation Raccoon City. I have it on my PS3, so... Worst case scenario, I will get it on my Mac or PC. If need be. And Outbreak, get Outbreak working online. It's amazing. Who's winning? I'm not even taking notice. Good one, Shiro. No answer is me. Good one, Stinky. And that was me as well.
That's all. Now
Good. Do you have that on
vote the
PC
scores.
or PS3? I have it on PS3, so... But if need be, I will get it on PC. Oh, Vloggy's going down. Joe is the winner! Really? Did he win? You won, Joe! Wow, Joe, you're really good at this. You know, Joe just joined the channel. Okay, I've never seen... No, actually, no. Joe has been on my stream before. But he just joined. Alright, randomly, and he gets the win. Well done. Alright, I'm gonna go on my tablet now, okay? I'm gonna go on my tablet because I keep hitting back for some reason and getting kicked out of the game. I hate that. So I'm going on my tablet now. Hopefully it doesn't happen again, alright? I keep getting messages on Facebook. Alright, I'm gonna throw my phone over here. Alright, so I'm gonna open my browser real quick. PS3. Awesome, Raven. Awesome. If you're up for it, Amy has it. Amy has it on the PS3 as well. And even Jack Hammer. I don't know if you know these guys, but if it's you, me, Jack, and Amy, it's the 4 of us. And we can play the whole campaign if you like. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna start a new one. Hold on. Guys, it's gonna be first come, first served, alright? I would love to have all of you, but it's a maximum of 8 players, but there's an unlimited amount of people that can actually vote. Up to 10,000 actually. So that's never gonna happen, but alright, hold on. I'm gonna start a new game, hold on. Here we go. Here we go. And now it's from the tablet. YNFQ. YNFQ. I'm in. It's vlogge. I'm gonna make myself another drink in the meantime because you guys take forever, okay? Look at that. It's going down. I'm gonna stop streaming when this one finishes. You have Operation Raccoon City as well, Rat Sakura. I thought you only owned the PS4. That's good, but I work when you do call with... I understand. But no, we'll find a way. We'll find a way to include you. Look at people joining. Goon. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. We got 2 more to go. That's Sakura. Saki is definitely Sakura. That's definitely you. You're gonna try to fool me. You're gonna try to fool me. There's 2 spots to go. Come on, guys. Whoop, Mr. Floppers. Come on. Where's Joe? Where's Joe? Joe, come on. You were doing good. Come on. Come on. 1 more to go. Shall I do the dance? The happy dance? You were in, John? Okay. I don't see you though. Oh, yeah, you're in. Oh my goodness. I should stop. I should stop drinking. I should stop drinking. I think Sakura should stop drinking. He just said I'm in, and right below him she says Joe left. Ah, Joe left. Sorry. I should stop drinking. John and Joe is not the same person. Okay. Come on, 1 person. Come on, 1 person. Sailor's leaving. I'm not even looking at chat properly. See ya, Sailor. Thank you so much for hanging out. You are awesome. Twerk for us, Loggy. I will I will twerk for you guys when I hit a reasonable amount of subs. I don't know. Vlogging, not the happy dance, the old-time rock and roll dance. Oh, you mean that one? The one with the underpants? The one with the Tom Cruise thing? The risky business kind of one? Yeah? Alright, guys. If nobody joins in within the next minute, it's 1:12 right now. 1:12. Okay, no. There's only 10 seconds left. 1:14. If nobody joins in by 1:14, we're gonna start it, okay? There's the clock over there, you can see it. Oh man, okay. Somebody just joined. Shira just joined. Alright, we're gonna go. It's about to start. Stuff is about to go down. And I'm gonna hit everybody's in. Look. You probably saw the reflection how much icons I have on the desktop. Come on. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go.
Heyo, I'm Josh Schmitzenstein, but you can call me Schmitty. Also, you may call me Schmitty. Okay, folks, welcome to your worst nightmare, but in a good way. This is round 1. You get points based on the percentage of people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go!
Oh my goodness. I hope you guys know what this word is. Alright, I hope you guys know it. We'll see. I don't know about this one. Alright, I think this one's good as well. We're good. It's amazing how fast it is. I click send and it goes right away. It's good, it's fast.
Let's take a look. First up, a terrible name for a 1930s gangster. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
I don't know why I find that funny. I don't know why. I don't know why. Who came up with that? Goon. Oh, seriously? The Squeller? Nice. Good one, Stinky. Hey, Varro, come on, join us, Varro.
Possible
I mean, you can
entry
join
in
the
Gary
audience now,
Busey's
but...
Dream Journal. Tonight I dreamed blank. Time to vote.
That has to be Sakura. That has to be Sakura. If that's not Sakura, I will eat another pepper. I will eat another pepper, guys. If that's not Sakura, I will eat another pepper. It is Sakura. Saki is Sakura. You are so predictable. I was worried for a sec.
And next is the real way you can tell an alligator from a crocodile. It's voting time.
I always joke about this because of the alligator or crocodile in Resident Evil 2. I always joke about that. Oh man. Sakura, in your face, Sakura. Good one. Keshi's head. Oh my goodness, I can't read your name. I'm so sorry.
Coming up
I
next.
suck.
Knock knock. Who's there? Blank.
Such a good question.
Time to vote.
Oh my goodness, you guys, who came up with that? Somebody that has to know me well. Somebody that knows me well, definitely. John. Yeah. He was in my streams during the summer, so it had to be no Pantsu, but still. Mr. Flopples win. Alright. GG, Mr. Flopples.
Next up, the worst material with which to make a snowman. Vote on your devices.
Oh man. Oh man. What is brown snow though? Alright, whoever chose brown snow needs to tell me exactly what it is. Stinky. Tell me what it is. What's brown snow? It's good. Is it what I think it is? Tell me in chat. Is it what I think it is? It's good. Good one.
Okay, next one. The worst name for an SUV.
Alright, Shiro wins because the other person didn't answer. GG.
Next in line, helpful advice you would give to Super Mario. It's voting time.
Okay. Sakura. I got your back, Sakura.
And next, if you'd never heard the term great white shark, what might you call it when you saw one for the first time? Time to vote.
Oh, god dang it. Oh, man. Oh, man. You guys are so funny. Oh, wow. Did I win? I won. I can't believe that. I think your answer was funnier, John, to be honest with you. I would have voted for you. Come on, am I winning? Am I winning? Wow, no, I'm not. Wow, 5th place. You guys are awesome.
It's now time for round 2. Everything is worth double, twice as much.
Twice as much, guys. Come on. Can I put emoji in the answer? Can I put emoji? I'm gonna try to put an emoji in the answer. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna try to put an emoji as an answer. I don't think it's gonna work, but... No, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. This is lame. It's not gonna work, but I'll try. I don't know. I'm gonna try this. I don't know.
Okay, here we go.
I don't know. Both my questions were very
A
hard.
bad name for a pet goldfish. Okay, everyone, what are your favorite?
Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. It's not an easy one. I mean, Fluffy one. I suppose Fluffy was the better one.
And next is something that would make an awful hat. It's voting time.
No question. Hands down, that is the answer that I gave. Oh, man. Really? I thought banana was funnier. Me, yes. I don't know. I thought banana was funnier. But GG, Sakura.
Thing you never see. Vote on your devices.
I don't know. I thought this is funny. I think this is funnier. I don't know. I know, right, John? Wow, seriously? I thought I was... Wow. Okay.
Next one. A weird thing to hear from your doctor. I'm afraid you have blank.
Good one.
It's voting time.
Who came up with this? You guys are amazing. I need to pee again. Amazing. I've been drinking so much. Yeah, good one, Shiro. I liked it too.
Next up, who let the dogs out?
What a good question.
Time to vote.
I have a guess who put that answer there. I have a guess. It was Saki. There you are. I should have made another chili bet. Quiplash! Wow!
And next, a secret way to get stubborn ketchup out of the bottle. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness. I'm curious about this one. Really? Come on! Mine was funnier. But Sakura's on my side. That's all that matters, okay? Sakura was on my side. That's all I care about.
Next in line, the worst job title that starts with assistant. It's voting time.
That is so random. I love that. Oh man, that is so good. I was gonna stream this on my PS4. On my PlayStation. PS4 or PS3? But the stream delay is lower on my computer. That's why I'm streaming it from my Mac. Wow, that's a Quiplash! Good one! Good one, GG! Wow, everybody's on your side.
And next is a great way to cure the hiccups. Time to vote.
Oh, why is this so funny? I don't know. I like that. Oh wow! I thought it was Sakura. Wow, I thought it was Sakura that posted that. That is so good. Oh, Sakura.
That's
Come
the
on,
end
I
of
want to see who's
Let's
winning
take
and
a
who's
look at the
losing.
scores.
Probably me losing. Wow, I'm doing really bad.
Round 3, the last lash. Points are tripled, and everyone gets the same one single prompt this time. Your prompt is, what's that stain?
John usually gets the good answers, and he's the one that goes first. He's really funny, man. And even Mr. Floppers. Wow. I'm gonna try. I don't know. I don't know. Come on, you guys. Come on, one to go. Boom, no answer.
Everybody's in. Vote away.
I like that one. Alright, I chose my answers. 3 of them. Okay. I am so curious. Oh man. You guys are so funny. I love you all. And this kind of game actually shows how original you are when it comes to thinking of jokes. And I like that. The funnier you are when it comes to these games, it means the more I want to hang out with you guys. Okay, John. You got 2. Okay, Stinky. Alright. I want to win this round. Come on. Really? Wow. Good one. Okay. All right, good. Who won?
That's the end. Let's see the final scoreboard.
Look at John. Come on, don't be salty, John. Wow, I suck at this game. Stinky's the winner. Wow. Hey, Francesco, welcome. All right. Judging from the name, are you Maltese? Are you Italian? You're either Maltese or Italian. Come on, Francesco, tell me. Am I guessing right? Are you Italian or are you Maltese? Tell me in the chat. Look at Sakura. Come on, you lost, Sakura. Admit it, just like I did. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's so funny. All right. One more, but before we start, I'm gonna go pee again. Because I've been drinking a lot. Guys, seriously, I opened this at the beginning of the stream. Look at this. Come on. I need to win. Make Vloggy eat that pepper. Alright, here's what's gonna happen, guys. Guys. Here's what's gonna happen. I will eat another pepper. Alright? I will eat another pepper if Sakura wins the next round. Ooh, so interesting. Under one condition. Under one condition. Provided that she doesn't make it obvious in her answers that it's her. Alright? If you make it obvious that it's you, if I can guess that that has to be Sakura, all right? If I guess, it doesn't count, okay? Are you okay with that one? Are you okay with that one? Look at my tablet. Look how I flip my tablet. Look, hold on, let's try again. Look at that. Look how fast. All right? If Sakura wins the next one, I'm gonna eat another pepper. It's a habanero pepper. It's even hotter than chili. And I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna choose which one. It's gonna be this one. Another habanero. If Sakura wins the next one, guys, I will eat this. But if Sakura makes it obvious in her answers that it's her, alright, I will not eat it. Alright? Here it is. Here it is, guys. We're gonna start another round, alright? Vloggy guesses Sakura behind every answer. No, I don't. No, I don't, sure. No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm not. Here's how we're gonna make it fair. Here's how we're gonna make it fair. I only get 2 guesses. Alright? Actually, most of Sakura's answers are about Jizz and Vloggy. So it's about Vloggy or Jizz. I will assume it's her. Alright. Mac Knight, welcome! Welcome, Mac Knight! You're just in time to join the game, buddy. You're just in time. There's only 4 slots. No, not 4. 8 slots for the game. He knows I'm out of the game. Yes, you are, Sakura. Yes, you are. And come on, I sent you a private video. You touch my tra-la-la, my ding-ding-dong. No, but seriously. Alright, you're just in time, Mac Knight. We're gonna play another round of Quiplash. Alright, so there's 8 slots, first come, first served. I hope you get it. But if you don't, you can still vote in the audience, alright? If Sakura wins, I am gonna eat this. I honestly hope Sakura wins, but there's a very slim chance that she wins. 1 out of whoever amount of people participate. Alright? I'm gonna put this on the side so I remember which one it was. I'm gonna start a new session. New players. And I'm gonna go pee while people join. The moment I come back, I'm gonna start the game. I don't care how many people are in, alright? So, YOWJ. Play. Am I in? I'm in already. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. And bye. Alright, I'm serious now. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, with an empty bladder this time. All right, we're missing one person. We are missing one person, but we're gonna go over the rules real quick. All right, if Sakura wins, I am going to eat this one. If she makes it obvious in her answers, all right, it doesn't count. We're gonna go right now. All right. Oh my goodness. Oof. All right. Oh, Sakura. We're gonna go. I'm gonna press go right now. Here we go. This is gonna be funny. I'm gonna click everybody's in right now. Hey, John. We're gonna go. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see all the icons on my desktop. Look at that. I am so disorganized. I am organized, but it's amazing how OCD I am. But when it comes to desktop icons, oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk about it. All right, let's go. You eat one. Yeah, let's go.
Hi, I'm Schmitty, which is Norwegian for bringer of Quiplash. Amazing coincidence.
Let's not let Sakura win. Oh, let's not let Sakura win. What am I saying?
She pulled last week. Let's get to it. This is round one. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
That's a good one. Yeah. Amaretto's ready already. I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything this one. Oh, come on. I can't think of anything right now. All right. We'll see.
Okay, it's time.
I was the last one. Wow.
The first prompt is come up with a name for a kooky ostrich who solves mysteries. Okay, pick your favorite.
Oh my goodness. goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. You're making me laugh. Flug can't find me. Well done, Goon. That was so good. I loved it.
Coming up next, the name of a painting Michelangelo was ashamed he created.
Fucking great.
Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. Oh, wow. That's so good. Oh wow. I voted for Sakura! Oh my goodness, Sakura! You're gonna make me eat it. Oh, you're so good. GG. Wow. Good one. Wow.
Next one, a rejected crayon color. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness, I wonder which one's gonna win. I won! I won! For skin color. Because I know there's a skin color crayon, but for skin color? Oh my goodness.
Next one, a rejected phrase for one of those Valentine heart candies. Time to vote.
You guys are geniuses! Wow, you guys are comedy geniuses. Oh man. Macanite, are you even playing this one? How are you in this game? Are you playing? So good, man. Mr. Floppers. Of course he won. GG.
Next in line, you need 3 things to live: food, water, and blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness, both are so good. But if it was me, oh my goodness, so good. You're not even playing? What do you mean you're? Oh, Sakura, I was this close to voting for your answer. Whew.
Okay, next one. Something you don't expect to see when you spy on your neighbors. It's voting time.
Oh man. Wow. Well done, Amaretto. Well done. And by the way, I love that drink, Amaretto.
And next, really awful cheerleaders would yell blank. Vote on your devices.
I don't know why, but I find this funny. Really? Where's my vote? Where's my vote? I voted for the other one. I don't get this.
Round 1 is in the books. Let's see the scores.
I went down to 4th place. Sakura's 3rd place. So far, so good.
Round 2 time, and to make it interesting, I'm doubling all the point values. You heard me.
Wow, this is good. All right. I don't know. I'll try. I don't know. Alright, we'll see. I don't know. These are very random answers. Vloggy has not remotely idea that it's not me. What? You mean you are you saying that Sakura's not even you, Sakura? In the game?
Let's take a look. Our first prompt is something you shouldn't use a chainsaw for.
What a good question.
Okay, voting time.
Oh my goodness. Who is that? Oh, that's such a good answer. Wow, I like that. Who came up with that? So good. It's really good. Sakura, I voted for you. Quiplash, GG.
And next is a unique way to escape from prison.
Wow. I like the answer, build another portal. Kill self was actually me. Really? I got the... I would have voted for Sakura. Wow. Are you into Minecraft, Sakura? Are you into Minecraft? I love you.
Next, sometimes after a long day, you just need to blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh, man. Oh, come on. You're welcome, guys.
Next up, a bad way to remove unsightly chest hair. It's voting time.
Whoa, whoever came up with this one. You guys are so funny. It's amazing. It's amazing. To remove chest hair, like this. Like this. Mr. Floppers, that was a good answer. There you go, you got a quiplash. Wow, even the audience. Well done. Quiplash. Quiplash. That was good.
Next
That was
in
really
line,
good. Well done.
A bad first line for your presidential inauguration speech. Vote on your devices.
I don't understand any of these. I don't understand any of these, but I'm just gonna... Oh, you guys. It's all about the Trump pit. Trump pit.
And next, a Socrates quote that nobody bothered to write down. Time to vote.
I have a feeling the other one is actually Sakura. The one is the sound of one man. That is you. No, it's not. What? Okay.
And next is a double rainbow doesn't have gold at the end of it. Instead, it has blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh man, you guys are amazing with these answers. So good. So good. What, Sakura? What? Eat what?
Round 2 is now complete. Let's see who completed it well.
No! Oh my goodness!
This is
No,
round 3.
Sakura, no!
Flash.
You're in the
One
first
final
place?
chance to catch
You're gonna
up.
make me eat
Point
another
values
one?
are tripled, and everyone gets
I have
the
to make you
same
lose. I
prompt
need
this
to come
time.
up with good answers.
Our
my
last
goodness.
flash prompt is a polite way to say booger.
Oh my goodness. I don't know, these are so bad. Is that it? There's just one? Oh man. I'm not gonna win this one. We need to make Sakura lose, guys. El luego no. You
Okay,
speak
suck it
Spanish, so I don't understand
out
you,
the
you
votes.
think. I speak Spanish, alright? En serio. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that answer! Oh, the best answer out of all those. I'm not gonna say anything because it's still counting. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, we need to make Sakura lose. At least third place, guys. Guys! Alright. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I am looking at the habanero right now. I'm scared now. I actually voted for my own name to be used as bookers. I like that. Ooh, nice goon. I am sweating. Nose Nuggets, I love that. Nose Nuggets is the best name for boogers. Nose Nuggets, so good. Nose balls, I like nose balls, that was me. Alright, nose balls. I am scared, I am scared. Make Sakura lose, please.
It's over. Let's take a look at the final scores.
I don't feel like eating another one. Go on the third place, Sakura, please. Oh my goodness. Lalo. I can't believe this. Please tell me, Sakura, that was not you, the username Sakura. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Was that you? Was that really you? Tell me someone else was doing your username or something, please. Oh, Sakura, come on. Forgive me. I love you. I show you a nip. Oh, come on, you're gonna make me eat it? Hello, darkness, my friend. Are you gonna make me eat it again? Oh man, I don't even have enough water. Oh my goodness. No, Tabby, that word is banned, so it doesn't show. Oh man, seriously? Wow, Sakura came up with the username shaving for the best way to use a chainsaw. All right, Sakura. Okay, I get it. I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, all right, I get it. All right, I get it. I have to do it. Oh man, but you know what? I'm not gonna mix rum with Coke, because I have this much Coke now, and no, I can't drink anymore. A deal is a deal. Yes, Sakura, and I am I am a man of my word. All right, eat that pepper. Don't be. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. But oh my goodness, it's gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt, guys, and it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt more coming out. Yes, you should feel sorry for me, Prone. It is gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt more coming out than coming in. It's gonna hurt more coming out than going in. All right, guys. But all right, hold. This is the same pepper, okay? But I'm gonna go wash it first. I'm gonna go wash it. All right, and I'll be right back. All right. You guys are so mean. I hate you guys. Ah, man, this is not good. All right, guys. All right, I am gonna eat this. All right, but please support my channel. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm still a small channel. All right, not one of the big ones. So I do appreciate a sub or a like. I hate begging, but I'm about to eat a habanero. Okay, I'll be right back. Stop laughing, Varo. Stop laughing, Varo. Alright. Before I do that, before I eat, alright, I am going to set up a new round, alright? It's gonna be the last one for the evening, okay? It's gonna be the last one. Alright, are you guys ready? Last one. Anyone can join in with a tablet, with a smartphone, with a computer browser, whatever, alright? And if you don't make it in with the 8 players that get to play, you can come in as audience. All right, here we go. And then people join in, and by the time people join in, my tits are fake. All right, here we go. Don't feel like eating it, but Sakura. RPAI. RPAI. Play. Alright, I'm in first. So, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat the... I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Sakura, I'm giving you one last chance to forgive me. Nice try, Vloggy Badu. Send nudes. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes. Please, I'm giving you one last chance to forgive me, Sakura. Come on. Come on, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Sorry, Vloggy. Sorry, Vloggy what? Sorry, Vloggy, I forgive you. Sorry, Vloggy, I forgive. But you're challenged me. Eat it. Look at everyone in chat. Oh my goodness, you guys are so mean. This is gonna hurt tomorrow. This is gonna hurt tomorrow. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2. Down the hatch. It's down. Put the volume down, guys, because I'm about to scream. Here it goes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my goodness, it hurts. Ah! All right, let's go. There's 8 people and 2 audience. Let's not leave them waiting. Everybody's in. Oh my goodness, that burns so much. Good one.
Hi, I'm Josh Schmitty Schmitzenstein, your court-ordered host of Quiplash. Remember, guys, during this game, it's natural to fall in love with me. Fight the feeling. Let's go. Time for round one. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners bonuses at stake. Go.
Sakura, you made me eat it. Oh my goodness, this is a good one. All right, we're good. King Tim! Welcome. You missed it, buddy. Or did you? I don't know. Yes, Akura, but I gave you an opportunity to forgive me. But you were like, screw him. Let him suffer. That was a fart noise, no? I love fart sounds. How are you, King Tim? Oh, you missed. You missed Vloggy Buddy eating 2 habaneros, man. Varro's in audience. I love that. I like that. I like that. There's someone else who hasn't voted in 1 second. Oh, it's done. Let's go.
Let's start this show. First up, the worst album, Blank Sings the Blues.
Oh, such a shame.
Coming up next, good name for an elderly nudist colony. It's voting time.
Oh, man, the tablet is really cold right now, and I feel like licking it. You missed it, King Tim. Sakura made me eat habaneros. Oh, come on! My raisins are really good. The raisins, come on!
Next one, a better name for dandruff. Time to vote.
So good. Oh man. You guys are killing me. Oh, wow, Quiplash. No. Does it count as a Quiplash? No, it doesn't count. You need to have all the
Okay,
audios
next
as well.
one. The most surprising person to admit to being the Zodiac Killer. Vote on
I got a running nose because of that. John. Everybody! John, you got it. No, you didn't get a Quiplash. Haha. I'm laughing. But even I voted for Vloggy. Because it's me. It's a me, Vloggy.
what deer would use for bait if they hunted hunters.
Good one, Sassy. Man, my throat burns. It's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Next one. Something you shouldn't wear to a job interview. It's voting time.
You guys are amazing. Oh, my throat and my tongue. That's what hurts the most right now. My tongue and my throat. Oh, Mankini wins. Well done. GG.
And next, the least romantic place to propose marriage.
Such a good question.
Time to vote.
Oh, who came up with that? Oh, man. That's not me. Someone's impersonating me.
Next in line, a word that should be in the dictionary but isn't. It's voting time.
So good. So good. Which one's gonna win? Yeah, bro, is even better than mine. I agree. I agree. I agree. I would have voted bro as well. Bare bones, I'm gonna get you.
End of round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
Who's winning? Wow. John is really good at this.
It's time for round two, where all point values are doubled. That's right, doubled.
Come on. I'm good at this. Come on. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I don't know. This is an inside joke mostly, but I'm gonna try it. Mostly is an inside joke.
Okay, here we go.
We'll see.
First one, come up with a really bad football penalty that begins with intentional. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
I don't hate you, Sakura. I love you. Oh, man. Wow, I won! Wow, and that was really random. I didn't even think what to write. Wow, okay, that's good.
And
Mac
next
Knight is
is
lurking.
one thing you never do on a first date. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness. Oh man. I'm curious who came up with that. Oh my goodness. Is that Sakura? Vlogibado. Oh my goodness. It was only me that voted the other way around. Oh man, but I still thought that the other one was funny. I don't know why I chose the other one.
Next up, a just so crazy it's brilliant business idea to pitch on Shark Tank. Time to vote.
Anything is better than no idea. Alright, so. Sorry. Who said anal? Who was it that said anal earlier? Quiplash! Quiplash, sassy! Here it comes! Here it comes! 1, 2. Quiplash! I'm not losing it. I'm not losing it.
Something you'd make a butler do the moment you hired him. It's done.
Oh, that is so good! That is so good! Who came up with that? Who said it? Oh, bare bones. Who said that? That is so good. It's something I would do if I had a butler. Oh my goodness. Goon, whoever you are, genius. Oh man, come on. Draw. Wow.
Next one, come up with a slogan for the Russian Tourism Board. Vote on your devices.
What? What? I don't know what to choose. I don't know, maybe this one? I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Sakura. Guys, I don't know if anybody gave me feedback on the banner on my YouTube profile. Banner. Channel art. I don't know if anybody gave me feedback and I missed it in chat, but what do you guys think? Did you like it? I spent 20 minutes working on that.
The name of a canine comedy club with puppy stand-up comedians. Time
Oh
to vote.
man. That's so good. I like that. Ah man. Really? Wow, I won? Thank you, Amy. Really? That was an inside joke, Bosco's farts. That was an inside joke.
And next
Wow, many people know who
a name
Amy
for a
is
new,
and
very
Bosco.
manly cocktail.
Wow.
It's voting time.
Come up with a name for a new, very manly cocktail. Vloggy Mary. I like that. I like that. You know what? I usually go to a place where I have cocktails. Maybe I should ask them to make a cocktail called Vloggy Mary. Is it gonna win? Oh my goodness, it won! Sassy, that has to be Sakura. I would say that's Sakura. It is so much fun. I will stream it again. I will stream it again, John.
Marry
Definitely.
or cremate you, what should we do with your body? Vote on your devices.
I like that one. I like that one. If I had to choose out of those two, I would choose that one. And you're gonna see which one I chose. Honestly, if I had to choose either this or this, I would choose this one. Oh my god. 5 and 4. You win. Good one. Oh man, where's Amy? Where's Amy? Somebody ask her to get off her stream and come over here. I'm kidding. She's playing The Last of Us. I made it to 4th place. Yes, yes, I am gonna get the Jackbox Party Pack 3. I am gonna get that. But I wanted to try this one first before I go ahead and, you know.
Your last flash prompt is
But I will get that, yes.
Miller Lite beer would make a lot of money if they came up with a beer called Miller Lite Blank.
Alright, I don't know. This may be a pun, but I'm gonna try it. We'll see.
Let's see the responses. Give out your votes now.
Alright. Answers are very lame, by the way, alright? The answers are very lame. Alright? I chose the best of the worst. Man, my mouth. Much better though. Here we go. That's not me. So. Oh, come on. Seriously? My answer is so good. So that's I'm winning 17% actually. Ooh, not anymore. 17. No. So far so good. This water. 17 as well. Okay. Ooh, wow. All right, Mr. Floppers, well done.
That's the end. Let's see the final scoreboard.
Fourth place, Sassy's the winner. Well done, Sassy. Well done, Sassy. Well done, Sassy. You are good. That is good. All right, here's what's gonna happen. I know I said this was gonna be the last, but I'm having so much fun. It's fun. So the next one's gonna be the last one. Is anybody okay with that? Yeah, anybody up for that? Another last one? Another actual last one? And I can do this, look, I can do this. With my tablet. Look at this, how fast I can spin it. You guys okay? No, Sakura, in order for you to win, you need to tell us in the first place which one is you, alright? Because you can randomly choose a username and say, that was me. You need to tell us from the start which one is you, alright? Alright, I was thinking maybe we should go for another one last round, perhaps? I may, look at, you did, Sakura. And I love you for that. I look forward to hurt you in some way. I'm not gonna send you any more videos of me going, oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I actually sent her a video of me going, oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Little Luggy, drop it like it's hot. Alright, I'm gonna do one last one. How about a last one? Ah, it's still early, Sakura, so why are you leaving? Don't leave. Did you say you're gonna leave, or am I just imagining that? Alright, here's what's gonna happen now. Alright? I have this much left of Coke. I'm gonna mix that with some vodka. Vodka. Vodka's for noobs. Rum, like a pirate. Arrgh. Dang it, Vloggy! 5:20. 5:20 what, Philly? 5:20 a.m. or 5:20 p.m.? I'm gonna put some more. There we go. There we go. Like a pirate. Arrgh. So we're gonna do another one. Last one. This one is gonna be the last one. Wow, it still burns. It still burns. Where's my phone? Oh, it's over there. Never mind. You are thinking wrong, Vloggy. I'm not thinking wrong. I'm thinking right. Or left. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna start another one. I'm gonna go eat something from the fridge because I'm very hungry. Alright, 2 minutes, real quick. Alright. And I'll be right back. In the meantime, I'm gonna start the session so people can join an audience and stuff. Alright. Giggity. Alright. Giggity giggity. Alright, okay, close. LTIT. Play. There you go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. And last one. I promise this is the last one. I have to go. Alright? It's late. It's 2:21 a.m. right now. So last session and I have to sleep. I'll be right back. Alright, wow, we already have 8 people and 1 audience. Well, alright, this is my dad's pudding. I'm not gonna eat it whilst on stream, so I don't munch on your faces and your ears. We're gonna go one last round, okay? Then I need to get to bed because I have an early morning tomorrow. Everybody's in! Click! Here we go. I need to eat this, but I need to mute it so I don't chew in your ears, guys. If you're really enjoying this, guys, I will be happy, more than happy to stream this one more time.
I guess. Have fun and keep your hands where I can see them.
And I can do it with Pepper again.
This is round
With
one. You get points
well, actually, I'll decide after tomorrow.
your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go.
Here we go. All right, this is obvious. Alright, we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna mute it real quick because I need to eat. I don't know about my answers. I'm not too confident, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna mute, okay?
Okay, it's time for some quiplashing. Starting things off, the most presidential name you can think of that isn't already the name of a president. Okay, pick your favorite.
Good one.
Coming up next,
Okay.
the best use for a leftover meatball. Time to vote.
Whenever I see a funny answer, I'm curious who came up with that. Ping pong ball. You're good. You're good.
And next is, the best way to survive a bear attack is blank. It's voting time.
This is about bears. I wonder what Barebone chose. If it's about Barebone. If Barebones had the choice to write an answer. I don't know. I wonder. Oh, no. 3-3. Wow. This game is a close one.
Okay, next one. What they really found in King Tut's tomb. Time to vote.
You are so bad. You are so bad. Well, really? I'm the only one who thought that was funny. Okay, I guess.
Next in line, little known fact, an unaired episode of The Brady Bunch had the family dealing with blank. Vote on your answer.
Wow, you guys. Seriously? Seriously, there were so many things I could think of. But no, I got... That's so lame. But anyway, I have to choose the best now. Come on. You could have chosen so much funnier answers. But anyway. I mean, even hairy tits could have been a funnier answer. Hairy tits. You guys.
Next up, a reason to travel back in time to 2 weeks ago. Time to vote.
I'm curious about this one. Ooh, 3-3. A lot of ties with this round. Amazing.
Next one, we can all agree that blank. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness. Both of them are so good. Both of them are so good, but man, one is more true than the other. Oh man. Oh, you guys. You and this one, Sakura.
happens to circumcision skin?
What a good question.
Vote on your devices.
Oh man. Oh, I got tears in my eyes. Oh, that is so good. Who came up with this one? Good one. Good one. Quiplash? Wow. Good one.
That's all for
Oh, sometimes I
round one.
burp the
Here's
the
scoreboard.
pepper. Wow.
Round two is straight ahead, and that means all points are doubled.
I don't know about this one, but this is the best thing I could think of.
Let's take a look.
I don't know about my
Now,
answers.
our
We'll
first
see.
prompt is the name of your new plumbing company. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
They're both so good. Oh man. But that one made me laugh so much more. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Okay, and do you only accept payment in giant coins?
Yeah. Did you hear the commenter? What the
Where's
commenter said?
Jimmy Hoffa? Time to vote.
Hiding from Flocky. You guys. My answer was the best one, and I couldn't even think of anything smarter than that. I'm glad, you guys. I got a quiplash out of that one.
And next
Sorry,
is
neighbors.
something awful to hold in your mouth for an hour. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That answer is so good. Wait a minute. It says from Sakura. I thought it was the actual jizz from Sakura. I'm sorry.
Next
Good one.
Little known fact, over the course of a lifetime, an average person accidentally eats 10 blank. It's voting time.
Who came up with that? Oh, you guys. Oh man. is it's me? Who is it? Oh my goodness. I thought I should let you know
Okay,
that my
next one.
stomach hurts right now.
Come up with a name
It
for a
hurts
beer
over
made
here right
especially
now.
for monkeys. Time to vote.
Good one. Good one. My stomach hurts over here, where I'm pointing with my finger right now, over here. It hurts. I'm gonna die. If I die, Sakura, you can't have my stuff because it was because of you. Good one, Saki. Good one. GG.
Coming up next, an odd painting to hang above your bed. Your devices.
I wonder what people are gonna choose. I wonder. I wonder. Everyone chose my own answer. I said me. Quiplash! I'm winning this one. I'm winning this one.
Next
It
in
was
line,
me, my own answer.
finish this sentence. When I'm rich, my mansion will have a room called the blank room. Time to vote.
Is that Sakura? Is that Sakura? That's such a funny answer. And it feels like a Sakura answer. I don't know. It feels like a Sakura answer. If that is really you, I am proud of you. It was John! Good one. Good one. Good
Next
one.
up, the worst breakfast, pancakes shaped like blank. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness, I am so getting the third pack of this game or whatever. Oh my goodness. You guys are awesome. John.
Round two is no more. Let's see the damage.
I won. I have a feeling I won. I won. I won. We are the champions, my friend.
Welcome to
The last lash.
the
Alright,
final
we're gonna
round.
do this.
Stakes are tripled. There's just one prompt. And
Chronodox, welcome.
our prompt is the secret to being a great kisser.
What a good answer. Wow. I don't know about this one. I'm gonna try. Oh, you guys. I'm doing great, man. Thanks so much for asking. How are you, Chrono? So good. This game, man.
Here's what everybody wrote. Apply your votes.
I have to vote now. All right. I like this one. I like this one. I hate myself for liking his. I like this one. All right, we're good. We're done. Let's see. Good answers, everyone. I'm curious who chose these answers. Yeah, I've been very busy this month as well, Chrono. Let's see. Really? Only one person liked my answer? you guys. I didn't do well with this one. Alright, am I still first place? Let's see. I didn't do well with this round, but we'll see.
That's it. Let's take a look at the final scores.
I am still first! I am still first! Oh my goodness! I am still first. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out. This was awesome. This was so much fun. There's a drunk crowd somehow playing our national anthem with a flute. Really? Really? Sakura's gonna have to go. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go too. It's what? Almost 3 a.m. right now, and I have to be up in 5 hours or less. I have to be up. Yeah, so this was so much fun, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It was the best way to end and start the year. So much fun, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna end this stream right here. I will do another one. But not in January. Nope, I am dedicating January to Resident Evil. I'm gonna be playing Resident Evil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Outbreak, Code Veronica, Gun Survivor 2. Am I forgetting anything else? I don't know. And those that require more than one player, alright, I've got Sakura that's gonna join me, I've got Raven that's gonna join me, I've got Jack that's gonna join me, I've got Barry hopefully that's gonna join me, Amy is gonna join me, alright? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun. So make sure you guys subscribe. I am a small channel, alright? I'm not one of the big ones yet. So make sure you subscribe and click like to support my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out. And I will see you guys next time. Ciao! Now, what do I click to stop the stream? I can't see the pointer because I had a lot of rum. See you guys. Bye.